All right, so today I'm going to be installing a new cabin air filter in my 2021 Ford Bronco. A pretty simple process. As you can see, pop open the glove box. If you look into the right corner there, you can see a little knob. You want to reach to the outside, right here. And you just take that and you slide it over. I'll show you from the inside what's happening here. And it clicks right out of place. And you slide that back and out of the way. You've got a couple of tabs right up here and one on the opposite side as well. So you just push in that tab, drops down, push in the other tab, and it falls completely out of the way. All right, looking up inside here, you can see there's a little squeeze tab back there. That is where you open up, let me see if I can get my hand to it, these tabs here. Sorry, I know this is not the easiest thing to see. All right, so you grab that, squeeze it in, and it pops right off. Set that back out of the way. All right, you can see the filter's pretty dirty. These should be changed according to the manufacturer's instructions at the 20,000 mile servicing, then about every 20,000 miles after. I prefer about yearly. As you can see, at 20,000 miles, this is pretty filthy. And I'm not too sure how effective it is at that point. If you look at the back of it, much less dirty. That's because these are, if you notice right there, it says airflow directing downward. As the air flows in through the exterior vents, it goes down through a larger pore down to smaller and smaller pore. That's the way these filters are designed to work. So you want to make sure that when you install it, if you install one that has a specified airflow, put it in the right direction. The K&N filter that I'm installing does not have that. It is one type consistent throughout, but it just slips right into place in the same slot. Work it a little bit back and forth to get it in there. This is a rubber casing on this one as opposed to the soft felt casing on the OEM. I went with the K&N for this. So I've used their products for engine filters, for oil filters, all different types of filters on my vehicles, and I've always been happy with performance. You can rewash the K&Ns. Like I said, I like to do annually. You do have to have a conditioning fluid that goes with it, so it's not like once you buy it, you're done buying things, but it will save you money in the long term for sure. So now to put it back in, you slip it right into that little slot there, over, snap it back into place, and it's installed just like that. You're gonna take your glove box, make sure this is out of the way, flip it back up. Don't pull your glove box off in the process. If you do, not a big deal. Hooks right back on. These cars are like Tonka trucks. You just flip that up. Now it's locked back in. It's not gonna fall anymore. Take this little tab, pull it over, snap it in, snap it back down, and the job is complete. So that's all there is to it. Pretty simple replacement. If this helps you at all, appreciate the like and the comment if you can. Thanks a lot for watching.